Have you ever thought, if I had $10,000 right now, how would I actually invest it? Not waste it, not let it sit in a boring bank account, but grow it. In 2025, investing isn't just for the ultra-rich or stock market experts anymore. With the right strategies, your $10,000 could become the foundation of long-term financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 of the smartest, and in some cases, most surprising, ways to invest your money this year. And don't skip number 3. It's something most people overlook, but wealthy people have been doing it quietly for years. Let's start with something simple but incredibly effective. U.S. Treasury bonds. Now I know what you're thinking. Bonds sound boring, but in 2025, they're making a serious comeback. Thanks to high interest rates, 2-year and 5-year Treasury notes are offering returns of around 5% to 6%. That's better than most high-yield savings accounts, and way safer than jumping into risky stocks. It's backed by the U.S. government, meaning you're earning passive income with almost zero risk. If you're someone who wants stability, this is the safest place to start. Now let's shift gears and talk about the future. And I mean the real future. AI and robotics are no longer just buzzwords. They're reshaping entire industries, from warehouses to hospitals to transportation. That's why my second pick is AI and robotics ETFs. These are funds like ROBO, BOTZ, and ARKQ that invest in companies leading this revolution. In 2025, for the first time, robots actually handled more packages in U.S. warehouses than human workers. Let that sink in. If you want long-term growth potential, investing in automation and intelligent tech isn't just smart. It might be essential. Now let's talk real estate, but with a twist. You don't need to save hundreds of thousands of dollars to become a property investor anymore. Thanks to fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise and Arrived, you can invest with just a few $100. Your $10,000 can be split across multiple properties, giving you rental income, appreciation, and zero landlord responsibilities. In fact, over half of new real estate investors in 2025 entered the market without ever buying a full property. That's the power of modern investing. You get real estate exposure without needing to deal with tenants or toilets. Here's something most people never consider. Invest in yourself. Take that $10,000 and build a digital product or online brand. This could be an ebook, an online course, a niche Shopify store, anything that solves a problem or provides value. You can use $2,000 for product creation, another $2,000 for advertising, and scale from there. In 2025, thousands of creators made over $10,000 just by selling simple, helpful digital content, some without even showing their face. The average return on investment in this space? Over 300% within the first year. Why invest in other people's companies when you can create your own? Finally, don't ignore what's happening around the world. The global economy is shifting, and countries like India, Brazil, and China are leading the charge. That's why my 5th pick is emerging markets and BRICS plus funds. These countries are forming powerful alliances, building infrastructure, and launching digital currencies. ETFs like EEM and VWO let you tap into that growth. Yes, it comes with some risk, but with great risk often comes great reward. In fact, BRICS plus nations are expected to overtake the G7 in total GDP by 2027. Investing now could mean getting ahead of a massive global shift. So let's recap. Number 1, high-yield treasury bonds, low risk, steady return. Number 2, AI and robotics ETFs, riding the future wave. Number 3, fractional real estate, property income without property stress. Number 4, digital products, build once, earn forever. And number 5, emerging markets, bet on the next global giants. You don't have to use all 5 strategies, but even picking 1 or 2 could completely change where your money is a year from now. Here's the truth. In 2025, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how well you grow what you already have. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. You just need the right knowledge, consistency, and the courage to take that first step. Because in 5 years, you'll either say, "I'm glad I did," Or, I wish I had. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. I break down smart financial strategies like this every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below and let me know, how would you invest $10,000 this year?